मेरे प्यारे फार्मेसी के साथीदारों, आज हम देखते हैं असिस्टेंट कमिश्नर फूड एंड ड्रग गुजरात का सॉल्व किया हुआ क्वेश्चन पेपर। उसके पहले जो मेरे नए साथीदार आए हैं उसको गुजारिश है कि इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और लाइक भी कर दीजिए, ताकि जब भी मैं नया वीडियो अपलोड करूं तो आपके तक ये वीडियो जल्द ही जल्द पहुंच पाए। देखते हैं तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। The first hormone produced in bacteria by using a recombinant DNA technology: insulin, adrenaline, thyroxine, and testosterone. So the insulin is first produced by recombinant DNA technology. Which of the following is affected by the use of antibiotic that inhibit or inactivate ribosome, ATP productions, DNA replication, ट्रांसक्रिप्शन और प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस? ज्यादातर रिबोसोम पे प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस होता है, तो हम बताएंगे कि प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस में प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी। At the temperature of 160 degrees Celsius for 1 hour, complete sterilizations occur in autoclave, hot air oven, laminar flow, incubator. 160 degree occur at for the hot air oven. Condensation of the light in light microscope is done by objective, condenser, ocular, all of the above. So इसमें से हम देखें तो कंडेंसेशन होता है कंडेंसर में। Which of the following are the acid fast microbes? Mycobacteria, bacterial spores, nocardia, all of the above. So among them all we can say mycobacterium, bacterial spore, nocardia, ये सब acid fast bacteria है। A disease that can be transmitted by an infectious agent, one individual to the another, is known as epidemic, pandemic, communicable, none of the above. This is communicable disease. Which of the following methods are employed for the sterilization of fermentation equipments? Radiations, chemicals, heating, all of the above. So इसमें से हम देखें तो all of the above is the correct answer. The immunity acquired by the inoculation of living organism of attenuated virulence, मीन्स की उसकी वायरल कैपेसिटी एटेन्यूएटेड की होती है, तो उसमें क्या आएगा? आर्टिफिशियल एक्टिव इम्यूनिटी, पैसिव इम्यूनिटी, नेचुरल एक्टिव इम्यूनिटी, लोकल इम्यूनिटी। सो इसमें से आएगा आर्टिफिशियल एक्टिव इम्यूनिटी। द गुना एंड द विरिया ऑफ जिंजरबर ऑफिसिनालिस इज रिस्पेक्टिवली लघु रुक्षा एंड मधुर, लघु स्निग्धा एंड कटु, लघु स्निग्धा एंड उष्णा, लघु तीक्ष्णा एंड उष्णा। तो इसमें से आएगा लघु स्निग्धा एंड उष्णा। द कंपोजिशन ऑफ तिक्ता रसा इज वायु तेज, वायु आकाश, वायु पृथ्वी, पृथ्वी तेज। सो करेक्ट आंसर इज वायु आकाश। All of the following contain the indole moiety except reserpine, strychnine, physostigmine or atropine. So इसमें से atropine has no indole moiety. What does holistic mean with reference to the holistic medicine? Medicine incorporating whole food, medicine with natural remedies, addressing the whole person, curing with the power of prayer. So we can say addressing the whole person. Opium alkaloid having isoquinoline ring system. So isoquinoline ring system is look like this. So papaverine, codeine, thebaine or morphine. So the correct one is papaverine. The microscopical examination of the crude drug involved determination of a size of different cell, shape of different cell and tissue, determine the relative positions of a different cell and tissue. So ये सब इसमें से कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. So all of the above. In which of the following forms does the glycan moiety of a sinusoid A and sinusoid B is present? Dextrorotatory and mesoform, levorotatory and mesoform, dextrorotatory and transform, meso and trans. So among these all we can say dextrorotatory and mesoform. Cyanogenetic glycosides are O glycoside, S glycoside, C glycoside, N glycoside. So O glycoside is a cyanogenetic glycosides. Valerian herb is used to treat insomnia, malaria, hyperlipidemia, ovarian cancer. So it is used valerian herb, valu, insomnia. Which of the following drugs are used as an antidepressant? Hypericum, St. John's Wood, millepertuis, all of the above. So among these all we can say all of the above. Which of the following statement about a camptothecin is correct? It has yellow needle-shaped crystal. It does not respond to Dragendorf and Mayer's. It is very weakly basic alkaloid in form a stable salt with a mineral acids. So we can say it form a stable salt with mineral acids. Which of the following cinchona alkaloid gives the blue fluorescence on treatment with the concentrated H2SO4? Cinchonidine, cinchonine, quinine or quinidine. So among this all we can say the quinine is the correct answer. It gives the blue fluorescence. Give the correct match from the following drug: camptothecin, boswellic acid, ginkgoids, valproids. So among them say we can say camptothecin is used in leukemia. A is 2. So this one. Then boswellic acid is used for rheumatoid arthritis. So this one. Valproids आगे ये आया था कि insomnia में use होता है. So we can say it's used for tranquilizer. So this is D is 3, is it? Which of the following nutraceuticals has anti-inflammatory activity? Capsaicin, quercetin, linolenic acids, all of the above. So among them all, we can say all of the above is the correct answer. WHO guideline for the general limit of harmful organic matter in a herbal drug is harmful. So totally free from it. Give the correct match from the following: volatile oil and major terpenoids. These are the volatile oil, these are the major terpenoids. So clove containing eugenol, this is well known. Phenyl containing anadol, this is very well known. So A is a 2, B1, C3 means cineol. So this is the correct answer. C3 and D menthol. Peppermint में से menthol मिलता है. Glycyrrhizinic, a sweet principle of licorice is used. Potassium, magnesium salt of glycyrrhizinic acids, sodium and magnesium salt, sodium and calcium salt, potassium and calcium salt. आप देखोगे ना तो पीरियोडिक टेबल में पोटेशियम एंड कैल्शियम एक ही पीरियड में आया करते थे, तो उसको बता देंगे कि पोटेशियम एंड कैल्शियम सॉल्ट ऑफ ग्लाइसरीजेनिक एसिड्स. गिव द करेक्ट मैच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एंजाइम एंड बायोलॉजिकल सोर्स. सो एस्परजिनस, bromelian, aspergillus, sutillians, collagens, B. subtilis, E. coli, anancomyces, C. histolyticum, S. scrofa, and B. tetus. So among them this, the A is a 3-1, B2, C1, Bacillus subtilis, then D. collagens is C. histolyticum. Give the correct match of the following carbohydrate and drug biological source: gum gatti, Indian gum, gum karaya, gum guar gum. So उसमें से हम देखें तो इंडियन गम इज अकेशिया अरेबिका. देखो इसमें से आप देखोगे ना तो इंडियन गम इज अकेशिया अरेबिका. दिस इज वेल नोन. So B5 is where? This one, only one. So this is the answer, I think. A1, gum gatti, Anogenesis latifolia, C3 gum कराया, Sterculia urensis, and guar gum is well known. It has Asambopogus tetragonus, Tetragonolobus. Which of the following has the largest value of stomatal index determined for the upper lip surface? Digitalis lutea, Digitalis purpurea, Digitalis lanata, Digitalis thapsi. So largest means lanata. L stand for largest, L stand for lanata. So we can say Digitalis lanata. Gallotannin in nut gall and elagitonin in oak are hydrolyzable and condensed tannin respectively. Condensed and hydrolyzable tannin respectively, both hydrolyzable or both condensed, both are hydrolyzable tannin. Give the correct match from the following: imidazole, indole, isoquinoline, and steroidal. These are the heterocyclic ring. This is the name of alkaloids. So imidazole is present in, okay chalo, this is very well known, indole present reserpine. So where is B2? इतने है B2, ये गया. Isoquinoline present in papaverine. So C1 ये आ गया. चलो ये विन होगा शायद. देख लिया. Imidazole is present in pilocarpine. Steroid is conazine. Which one of the following is not the requirement for the garment used by the personnel in aseptic area as per D&C rules 1945? Garment shall be made of non-shedding and tight wearing material. Cotton garment shall be used. Garment shall be single piece. Pocket shall be avoided. So among these all, the cotton garment shall be used. This is not a compulsory requirement of garment. As per D&C Act 1940, if a drug is imported under a name which belongs to the another drug, it shall be deemed to be a spurious drug. वो जो नाम है ना, वो नाम नहीं होता, उसका दूसरा नाम होता है. Good manufacturing practice related to factory premise of Unani medicines are prescribed in Schedule M, Schedule N, Schedule R, Schedule T. So this is under Schedule T. As per the provision of Schedule K, which one of the following classes of drugs is not exempted from the sale license required under the provision of Chapter 4 of D&C Act 1940 and the rule thereunder? Mechanical contraceptive, insecticides and disinfectants, paracetamol tablet and ibuprofen tablet. So among them, the ibuprofen tablet is the correct answer. Under the Schedule F, the prescribed period of deferment of blood donation in case of typhoid is 3 months after recovery, 6 months after recovery, 9 months after recovery, 12 months after recovery. So among them, the correct one is 12 months after recovery. Which one of the following preparation is treated as preparations capable of being used as ordinary alcohol beverages and hence is liable to a duty as per the Medicinal and Toilet Preparation? तो ये बताता है कि मेडिसिनल एंड टॉयलेट प्रिपरेशन एक्ट 1955 के अकॉर्डिंग ऐसा कौन सा प्रिपरेशन है कि जिसमें आपको ड्यूटी बतानी होती है कि अल्कोहल डाला हुआ है इससे. तो उसमें आएगा आयुर्वेदिक प्रिपरेशंस मेड बाय डिस्टिलेशंस, आयुर्वेदिक असावा प्रिपरेशंस, Ayurvedic arista preparation, Ayurvedic preparation containing 2% self-generated proof spirit. So among them, Ayurvedic preparation made by distillations. Which one of the following is the date of expiry for the Asava and Arista Ayurvedic medicines? So normally for the Asava and Arista are prepared in alcohol, so there is no expiry date. Which one of the following act is not an offense under the Drug and Magic Remedies Act 1954? Advertisement of astrologer, advertisement referring to use of Ayurvedic medicine for the correction of the menstruation disorder in women, advertisement for referring to use of the homeopathic medicines for prevention of cataract, or advertisement referring to use of a Unani drug for treatment and prevention of AIDS. So इसमें से कौन सा नहीं कर सकते? एडवर्टाइजमेंट ऑफ एन एस्ट्रोलॉजर. Bureau of Indian Standard is engaged in the developing standard for the crack sector, chemical, food and agriculture, medical equipment and hospital planning, all of the above. So आप मैं बता दीजिए कि all of the above आएगा इसमें 20 standard में. Which one of the following presently effective regulation provides for the registration of the pharmacist to regulate the entry of the person in the professions? तो वो कौन रेगुलेट करता है कि फार्मासिस्ट रजिस्टर्ड फार्मासिस्ट है? ड्रग एंड कॉस्मेटिक एक्ट 1940, AICT एक्ट 1987, फार्मेसी एक्ट 1948, फार्मेसी एजुकेशन रेगुलेशन 1991. सो इसमें से फार्मेसी एक्ट 1948 आएगा. Which of the following products are regulated by US FDA? Bottled water, prescription drug, non-prescription drug, all of the above. So all of the above is regulated by US FDA. As per the section 22 of Food Safety and Standard Act 2006, food for the special dietary uses may be formulated as except parenteral, powder, granules or capsule. देखिए इसमें फूड में हम पैरेंटल नहीं दे सकते. किसी ने बताया कि फूड पैरेंटल दे दिया उसको. Which one of the following criteria should an invention to be patentable not required to meet as per the Patent Act 1917? Novelty, inventive step, industrial applicable, priority date. So we can say priority date. Which one of the following management function encompasses defining an organizational goal, establishing an overall strategy for achieving those goals, and developing a comprehensive set of plans to integrate and coordinate activity? तो इसमें से ये किस में आता है कि कोई गोल डिफाइन करते हैं, गोल को कैसे अचीव करते हैं, वो कॉम्प्रहेंसिव कैसे इंटीग्रेट करते हैं? तो प्लानिंग, ऑर्गेनाइजिंग, लीडिंग एंड कंट्रोलिंग में से देखें तो प्लानिंग आएगा. Which one of the following defines how job tasks are formally divided, grouped and coordinated? An organizational structure, World Trade Organization, human resource policy, organizational culture. So among them all we can say the organizational structure will help us. Which one of the following is considered as a downward communication? An email from a team leader to the member of his team, reminding team of an upcoming deadline, suggestions box, employee attitude survey and grievance procedure. So we can say an email. तो email जो आता है टीम लीडर से नीचे की ओर उसको बोलते हैं. Which one of the following inventory model is used for the calculation of timing of inventory order? Fixed order quantity model, fixed order inventory model, economic reorder point mode. So among this we can say reorder point mode. According to Herzberg's motivations hygiene theory, the intrinsic factors are related to job satisfaction, job dissatisfaction. So both and none of the above. So we can say it's both. Which of the following is not a typically used procedure to reduce the total number of employees? Downturns, early retirement, inductment, layoff or terminations. Which of the following is not typically used? ये नहीं कही जाती. Downturns. A frequently used method for determining the training needs involve in-depth interview of randomly selected employees, group discussion with the employee group, observation analysis conducted by training expert, none of the above. So if we see here, among them all we can say none of the above is used. तो ये हमारा थोड़ा बहुत अटेम्प्ट था कि आपके तक असिस्टेंट कमिश्नर का पेपर हमने आज खत्म कर दिया है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो हम अपलोड करेंगे, उसमें जॉइंट कमिश्नर का पेपर डालने वाले हैं. तो हमारे साथ जुड़े रहे. थैंक यू, थैंक्स अ लॉट.